Hello everyone. So, this vlog is about celebrating Holi and then preparing for the suns. So, stay tuned. Hello everyone. So, this is Samadrita Gupta, a second year MBBS student in Kolkata. Welcome to my channel. It's been a long journey. Decided that okay, I will be starting to vlog, or I will be like opening a vlog channel. So basically it's just a brief introduction that I'm a medical student and I will be just featuring out, or I'll be just putting out my life to you guys because I feel it is worthy enough to be put out there, and obviously it's also a way of self-development. So come, let's spend. Alright, so starting this current vlog from my home because I've come back to my home for the Holi holidays, and also because our college decided to announce our semester examinations just 12 days or 14 days prior to the examination. That is only 2 weeks without any holiday. That is starting from 12th of March, and we don't know anything about the syllabus. We have no idea about anything which is going to come. So that's the main reason this vlog is starting at 12:30 or 12:45 a.m. at night from my home. It's 1:30 or something, and I don't know why I'm super sleepy. Like I am super sleepy. That's a bit unusual, but yeah, I've completed like whatever I thought I'll be coming back and doing today. I did that and I'm happy about that. Now let's go and sleep. Kal se fir se. So I finally woke up, but at 10:30 a.m. Like not 9 or 8:30, which was my target, and my parents did not wake me up, obviously, because घर आए हो rest कर लो. Whatever, and I'm glad they didn't wake me up because I'm a lot fresh now. I did my basic skincare. Alright, so now I'll be starting with my studies. So today's plan is not simple, it's a lot to do. Okay, so today my plan is to do like complete pharma cardiology part. Then we'll do IDA from pathology, and then few things from micro as well. So it's a bit of a task because बहुत सारे 5-6 lectures देखने हैं, PYQs भी करने हैं कुछ chapters के exam season. So this is going to be an interesting one because I have never been through something like, you know, enjoying and studying at the same time, like, you know, preparing for a festival, doing, not just preparing, you know, celebrating a festival, and then with that studying for the exams. That will be a bit different for me. So let's go see how this week goes. Most probably good. Yeah, let's start. Alright, so back from my shower. So today I edited, it's a Sunday today, I edited and uploaded my first ever vlog, and I'm happy about that. So उसके लिए थोड़े से पढ़ाई में disturbances आ रहे हैं, but if I show you, I was completing ANS. Trust me, नहीं हो रहा है, and just trying hard. अभी I'll have my lunch, उसके बाद फिर से पढ़ने बैठेंगे. This is how the day is going.
semi-finals.
Alright, so yesterday India versus West Indies, India won, and that into the semi-finals. Uske baad I was a little tense about the syllabus because I couldn't get it how to complete it, to be honest. I mean, इतना बड़ा syllabus है. Like, I feel first year was better than second year. Just an unpopular opinion, but yes, I mean, पढ़ने का मन भी नहीं आ रहा है and blah blah whatever. तो अभी पढ़ने बैठूंगी because I have a few tasks after 12. It's already 10:45 now. I know it's late क्योंकि I am having a very bad cough for which I couldn't sleep at night. That's why I'm waking up late. So whatever, adrenergic drugs ka lecture. And then I taught dance. Oh, by the way, dancing is my side hustle, right? But the main fact is, I am confused. I am having existential crisis. How to complete this huge syllabus? I'm just cramming about the syllabus. I'm not studying, and when studying, I'm again cramming about the syllabus because I don't know how to complete it. It's tough. I mean, okay. Alright, so when you are having Sims in 10 days, this is what happens. I don't know if you are able to hear. My father is singing, and me over here is starting farming. Oh, this is tough. You can hear. Alright, this was the next day and again everyone started playing Holi for no reason. कोई plan नहीं था इसका. Randomly मुझे लगा दिया गया है. Alright, so I'm not doing that much well for the past few days क्योंकि पढ़ाई उतना अच्छे से नहीं हो रहा था. And I came back yesterday only. So कल सोचे थे कि पढ़ लेंगे. But the thing is that since I don't know what happened, I'm not feeling the pressure to study or something. Like this is a problem. Generally, when there is an exam or something like that, my brain shuts off and says कि चलो अब तो तुझे पढ़ना है. But this time, it is not happening. It's like कि my brain is not telling me कि पढ़ लो. And so for that, yesterday I studied, but I couldn't study that much. And guess what? I was like having the constant emotional breakdowns. I was crying and stuff. And guess what? Today, I woke up with a very bad cramp and I got my period. Wow! So yeah, now it's very tough because I get very bad cramps. I get very bad mood swings. It's bad for me, basically. Alright, good morning. It's the next day. It's 11:05 in the morning and I'm starting now. Yesterday बहुत ज़्यादा vlog नहीं कर पाई मैं because I was not able to focus and not study. When I studied only, that's why I couldn't. I wasn't able to focus properly. So today my ऑलराइट 8 घंटे में सिर्फ 1 घंटा 20 मिनट ही कंप्लीट हो पाया है अब तक. It's 1:30 already. I have oiled my hair in between and now I'll go and take a shower. उसके बाद खाएंगे and then we'll again sit to study. देखते हैं कितना होता है. Alright, so it's 5:20ish around and I am done with 3 hours and 8 minutes of studying. Still 4 hours and 52 minutes to go. And I'll take rest and again start at 6:15 around. Hopefully we'll be completing by 11, 11:30, 12, I don't know. Let's see.